Hi, I'm Anis Nabilah. I'm a chef and I cook on TV. So today I want to talk to you guys about my brand new kitchen toy, which is the Thermomix TM6. So I've been hearing about Thermomix from some of my chef friends, and they've been telling me how amazing of a tool it is. And you know, after getting one of my own, I've managed to toy around with it and I am so impressed. Not only it is a powerful tool where you know you can blend just about anything and everything, but you can also cook everything inside it. So now I'm only spending half of the amount of time that I normally do in my kitchen with the help of TM6 Thermomix. So now I'm going to show you how to make my 4 seconds lemonade using the Thermomix TM6. So first I'm going to measure my rock sugar. So I'm using rock sugar because it's less sweet, and I just want to show you how powerful the TM6 Thermomix blade is, whereby you can actually grind this into powder form within 2 seconds. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna put my rock sugar straight into my TM6 Thermomix because they've got this built-in weighing scale, and it's super accurate that you can measure up to only 1 gram. Okay, so now we're gonna blend it and turn it into powder form. So now I'm just gonna add my lemons. I'm using 2 lemons. So you can actually cut them into quarters or halves. So I'm using one that's been quartered. Okay, so I've added my lemon. Now I'm just gonna add 800 grams of cold water. Alright, so now just 2 more seconds. Ooh. Just add this basket. And then it's ready. So here you go, lemonade in 4 seconds. So good.